Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to download the TikTok video from Google Chrome. So for this you have to click on the start button, then you have to search for the Google Chrome option from here, and once you open it, then you have to search for the tiktok.com option from here. After that, when you click on the tiktok.com, it will take you to the TikTok. Then you have to search the file that you would like to download. So for example, would like to download this one. Then you have to simply click on it, then you have to just choose the click on the video. Here you can see the video is downloaded, the video is here. Then what you can do is simply right click on it, then here you will get the option of download video. So if you click on it, then it will simply start to get downloaded. So here you can see the video is already downloaded here. Now if you now click on it, then here you can see the video is loaded, and then here you can see the video is already running here. So it is as simple as that, guys. You can simply download the videos from your computer easily in TikTok. From TikTok you can download your videos easily. Thank you very much for watching this video.